Hey, Jonah.
I'm coming too.
You coming? There's a slippery outside. I'm recording.
The deeper I get.
Yeah, I'm recording you. Don't do that. Do not drop her phone.
Train's coming!
Yeah. Jordan, back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. I know. Oh, you good, Jenna?
Yeah.
You almost had breath in it. Nah.
2 trains?
Just one.
I hear a train over there too.
Yeah.
Train! Train! Woo!
Wait, do I wave? Do I wave, Jonah? Because I want to wave my tree. Oh, John! It's a CSF! Guys, it's so cold, dude. Oh my God, he waved. Yeah.
Footprints!
Yeah.
That's great!
Yeah.
Guys, is he cannot wave at me?